te khulai shibun ye pi baro ki parlo ki parjor ki bajor sanda ban sna bi khubor hakne ka por hakne ka step dengan wara ye pi sha phang ka we ka advertisement ka ba like da ka district resource person under the PMFME scheme dengan pulih kan ni mo the Directorate of Processing DOFFP as a notified state nodal agency SNA for the implement of the contractly sponsor scheme PM commercialized micro food processing te ka ni ka advertisement ka Directorate of Food and Processing ka pelaj ki post ala ni ki advertisement ki kedan long ki kam ki long ki harum the district resource person but ka education qualification minimum class for class 12 the requirement experience in skill like marketing, bank, mitra, loans, recovery agency, insurance agency, contractor. The mode of payment of district resource person will be commission basis. Contractor payment for the resource person will be up to will be 20,000 per bank loans as the 15%. Te ki district resource person kilong company ki number of opening per district is Garo Hill, Santali, nangta North Garo Hill, Santali, South West Garo Hill, Santali, nangta ka South Garo Hill, Santali, nangta ka West Garo Hill, Santali, South Garo Hill, Santali, Riboy, South Santali, East Khas Hill, Santali, Eastern West Santali, South West Khas Hill, Santali, West Khas Hill, Santali, East Jantia, Santali, nangta West Khas Hill, Santali. Te ane kelas di ban submit ya kani ka application through online mode kan dei haka arpotrik umach adarsan up to chispa khanduspa hour. The general instruction rule of the responsible be the post of the condition. Download the official website from www.df long ta pila ban pe ya kani ka link pila ro ban apply ya kani ka post te what nom up bahkan poi kelas dit re so bah ba pen le ban le no hak por ka ba biang nang ta pila ro ban apply hi da ka phone ada pinang te what clear ro ban subscribe but share like ya kani ka video but knang ma pnyo shibun ki jing tip but ki jing tip ki bai dei bat ko bolak kam te sapet ika hadu ban kut kalong kono te aling nya pe